Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to learn how to recover a deleted timeline on Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. At the top right corner, tap on your profile picture. From the menu that appears, select the option called Your Timeline. If you had backup and location history enabled, you should now see a list of your visits and the dates on which they were recorded. This is the main place where your location data is stored and displayed. If you do not see any data there, the next step is to confirm that location history is turned on for your Google account. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then open Location and Privacy Settings. Scroll down to Location Settings and turn on the Timeline option if it's not enabled. Sometimes the timeline takes a little time to sync, especially if you are switching between devices. Now you will be able to see your recent visits in the timeline section. Thanks for watching.